Hello friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. In this video, we shall see some of the world's most expensive perfumes. To watch more similar videos, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. Come, let's have a look at the $1 million scents. The first perfumes were originally created and worn to cover up unpleasant body odors before deodorant or body soap could do that for us. Over time, the public's perception of perfumes has changed from a tool to mask unpleasant smells to one associated with class, elegance and sophistication. Some perfumes have gone the extra mile to show how upscale they are with luxurious packaging or rare ingredients. These perfumes are considered the most expensive perfumes in the world, reserved for the most special of special occasions or for displaying with other high-end collector's items. We'll see some of the most expensive perfumes. Shumuk $1.29 million total. Unveiled in March 2019 in the Burj Khalifa, this fragrance was designed by master perfumer Asghar Adam Ali based in Dubai. Comprising of scents of Indian agarwood, sandalwood, Turkish rose and others, the real magic lies in the packaging of this perfume. Stored in a genuine leather display case, the bottle is a tribute to the heritage of the United Arab Emirates. Featuring silver clamshells holding genuine pearls, roses made of pink, gold and diamond dust, and marble pillars topped by a diamond-studded falcon, only one of these perfumes were ever put into production. DKNY Golden Delicious Limited Edition $1 million total. This one-of-a-kind packaging was a joint effort between the team at DKNY and renowned jewelry designer Martin Katz. The bottle boasts 2,909 precious stones including 2,700 white diamonds, 183 yellow sapphires, 15 Australian pink diamonds, a 3.07 carat ruby and a 2.43 carat yellow canary diamond on the cap. Crafters placed the stones by hand for over 1,500 hours to resemble the iconic New York City skyline. Once sold, the makers donated all the proceeds to the Action Against Hunger charity. The smell is a beautiful medley of white florals, fruit and woodsy tones, perfect for any woman who wants to add a touch of glamour to her day. Next is the Chanel No. 5 limited edition Grand X-Raid, which is around $3,000 for 30.4 ounce. Released in December 2018, the infamous fashion house blew up their most iconic fragrance to 10 times its normal size and dyed it red, all to honor Gabrielle Coco Chanel, the founder of the brand. With only 25 put on sale, this supersized bottle was targeted to lifelong fans of the brand and all that Coco stood for. With a bottle made of pure crystal and sealed with a time-intensive technique known as baudrushage, a method used to keep the perfume itself as pure as possible, this rare collector's item is made for showcasing proudly on a luxurious vanity. With ambassadors like Marilyn Monroe to sing its praises, this floral fragrance embraces simplicity and luxury in every spritz. Next is a Clive Christian No. 1 Imperial Majesty, which is around $12,722 per ounce. Designed by highly regarded British perfumer Roja Dove, this aromatic floral fragrance boasts an impressive ingredients list composed of rose oil, jasmine and most notably Tahitian vanilla. This perfume was designed to invoke a fragrance reminiscent of Aphrodite, Greek goddess of beauty and love. Housed in an impressive crystal bottle with an 18 carat gold neck and a cap set with a 5 carat diamond, This perfume prides itself on being a luxury addition to the most high-end of perfume collections. A floral, citrus and woody perfume with hints of the oriental perfumes of the past, this fragrance has the same notes of vanilla, jasmine and rose for a classic yet intoxicating aroma. Next is the new Bond Saint Amorpha by Bond No. 9, which is around $7,500 for 420 ounce. This perfume from famed retailer Bond No. 9 is a fan favorite addition to their long line of exquisite bottles and decadent fragrances. With notes of coffee beans, cocoa, vanilla and chestnut, this is a mouth-watering perfume for special occasions. Packaged in a 42-ounce hand-decorated glass bottle covered with over 3000 Swarovski crystals, this fragrance packs a punch with its appearance as well as its fragrance. Next is a Baccarat Les Larmes Sacrées de Thebe, is around $6,800 per ounce. Released in a 3-part collection with only 3 bottles ever available for purchase, this perfume comes from the legendary crystal maker Baccarat. This warm and aromatic perfume is composed of notes of frankincense and myrrh. Considering the brand's origins in fine crystal making, it should be no surprise that the main appeal of this fragrance is in the exquisite bottle it comes in. Housed in a pyramid-shaped bottle made of handcrafted crystal, the cap is adorned with amethyst, making this a pricey yet beautiful collector's item. Next is a Roja Haute Luxe, which is around $3,500 for 3.4 ounce. The signature scent of fragrance specialist and historian Roja Dove, the formulation and ingredients list was kept under wraps for 25 years before being released to the public. With floral notes and a surprising finish of ambergris, oak moss, patchouli, vanilla and ginger, this is an intoxicating fragrance that anyone who comes across you will remember. With 24 karat gold flakes swirling inside a glass bottle and a purple crystal cap, this perfume is as beautiful to look at as it is to wear. Next is the Alia Eau de Perfume, which is around $2,500 for 330 ounce. Inspired by the late designer's childhood in Tunisia, where he recalled hot brick walls being doused by cold water, this has been one of the most sought after scents in the fragrance industry since its release in 2015. With primary notes of pink peppercorn, freesia, peony, and animalistic musky notes, this is a perfect perfume to explore both femininity and masculinity. Housed in a 33-ounce engraved bottle with a golden neck and cap, this true collector's item was tailor-made for displaying on a vanity for years to come. Next is a Frederic Malle d'Or Eau de Perfume, which is around $1,500 for 3.5 ounce. This perfume was inspired by the Middle East's daily rise to prayer and encompasses the best parts of a summer morning. Warm, inspiring and calming, this perfume has scents of heavy oud as well as rose, pink peppercorn, oak moss and frankincense to help you feel ready to take on anything that comes our way. Packaged in a minimalistic glass bottle and black cap, this perfume makes a welcome addition to any simple vanity setup. Now is a Sherry Garden by House of Sillage, which is around $1,200 for 2.5 ounce. Each perfume crafted by this infamous perfume brand is designed to be a collector's item, and this fragrance is no different. A fairly sweet perfume with notes of Sicilian bergamot, almond and vanilla, this is an everyday perfume worth saving up for. The perfume itself is a collector's item, but the real showstopper is the bottle it comes in. enclosed in crystal with a gold top encrusted with diamonds. This is a bottle tailor-made for displaying on a vanity. The fragrance category is as saturated as it is diverse. Rare ingredients, unparalleled craftsmanship, and dazzling delights like a Swarovski crystal-studded falcon are just a few reasons fragrances in this category are worthy of such opulence. Everyone loves to smell wonderful and for their perfume to make an impression and a lasting memory. There is much more to choosing a perfume than loving the fragrance and its luxurious packaging. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another intriguing video. Bye.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle.